Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my June Ipsy bag for you guys, and let's just jump right in. I believe for those of you that do have Ipsy, or those of you that know, there were different color bags this month, and I got the yellow one, which I actually really like. Yellow is like one of those colors that just makes me happy. So I do like the color yellow. It's not my favorite, but I would say it's probably like my second or third favorite color because I do love this color. It's just a super happy color, so I love it. I'm happy I got the yellow one. And then the theme for this month is colors. Oh, flying colors, sorry. And that's the little card. And let's jump right in. So first thing I see is 2 charcoal clay bubble masks. And these are fragrance free, and I guess they are for your pores, apparently. Refreshing pore care. So that's what the masks look like. And we get 2 of these. The next thing I got is a brush, which I always love, and this is the small shader brush from Luxy. And it has like the really small little brush at the top. The next thing in here is from City Color Cosmetics. And this is, let's see, let's open this up. God. Okay, and this is an eyeshadow in the color Skinny Latte. I don't know if you guys can really see there. Let me swatch this. So that's what the color looks like. It kind of looks like a vanilla-y color, kind of like a vanilla. Can you see that? Can you pick that up? It's very pretty. The next thing in here is from Belief, I believe. Is that how you pronounce it? And it says Believe in Truth Moisturizing Eye Balm. Like bomb, like you're the bomb. Not balm like lip balm. And it's an eye cream, obviously, and it says it provides intense moisture and boost elasticity, and it says this eye cream has been clinically tested to provide up to 26 hours of moisture and improve skin elasticity. I never really use eye creams, but I'm almost coming on 36 years old. Maybe I should start. And the last thing in here is a nail polish from Pretty Woman. And look how cute the box is. I believe the color is called Vacay, which I really like that name. Oh, this is nice. It's kind of like a nude, like a peachy nude color, kind of. Yeah, it's kind of like a pinky, peachy, very light nude color. It's very pretty. And I believe the name is Vacay because that's what's on the top of the box. So I'm guessing, is this thing focusing? It doesn't look like it. I'm guessing that's the name of it. So that is it for my Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging. I liked it. I love getting brushes, you guys know. This is an interesting mask to try out. I'm not like really a mask person, but it says it's a bubbling mask, so it would be nice to try out and see what the difference is. The eyeshadow is pretty, the eye cream is nice, and the nail polish is also nice. So this bag was a good bag this month. Good job, Ipsy. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notifications bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye, guys.